Good morning. This is September 2nd, and this is after the flood. Well, we're still in the flood, I should say. And this is you're looking at is Schwenksville Pike coming in to Schwenksville on Main Street, and yes, there's no way in. So we are underwater again, but this is the worst I've ever seen it. This is a nightmare. Yeah. Got up early this morning and got some photos and pictures of it. Yeah. It's gonna take a while to get it down because ay. Anyway, I thank you. I didn't have to go to work today because I would have been messed up. I would not have been out of here. Because all the roadblocks are everywhere right now. Yep. Okay, I'll talk to you later.